This weekend we visited historic Wheeler, Oregon, and the Oregon Coast Scenic Railroad. Tiny, charming Wheeler Village is located on the North Oregon coast in what's known locally as a sunspot. The hills surrounding Wheeler shielded from the fog and mist that's common along the coast. Before the train ride, we spent some time exploring the town. Wheeler was incorporated back in 1910 by the ancestors of current Portland Mayor Ted Wheeler. Before 1911, when the Pacific Railway Navigation Company completed a rail link from Tillamook to Portland, visitors could only access the rugged coastline by boat. The new railroad helped Wheeler grow into the early 20th century. The old Wheeler Hotel was built in 1920. The hotel enjoyed a few years of prosperity before the Great Depression and the Tillamook burn of 1933 took their toll. The building then served as a clinic for arthritis for a few decades before falling into disrepair. In 1998, it was purchased by a couple who noticed it while traveling through town in their motorhome, and now it's renovated into the charming hotel seen today. We also stopped at the Roost Coffee Shop for some tasty sandwiches. The town features several art galleries and gift shops. The starting station for the Oregon Coast Railroad was right across the street. The railroad company boasts several historic cars and engines. One is a 25 McLeod steam engine, which is used for the Candy Cane Express trips in December. For our trip, a 1951 EMD F7 diesel engine was used. Passengers could choose to ride in the comfort of an historic dining car, or either covered or uncovered open cars. We chose the covered car to enjoy the fresh air and still have shelter from any rain that might come our way. Our route ran along the old Southern Pacific Transportation Company track between Wheeler and the Manhattan Beach State Recreation Site, just north of the town of Rockaway Beach. The Southern Pacific Railroad was a massive network of railways linking Chicago, Illinois with Texas, Arizona, and the West Coast cities. It was active between 1865 and 1996, when it was taken over by the Union Pacific Corporation. Large portions of the rail lines were decommissioned, including this route along the coast, which was mainly used for lumber transport. A sunny Manhattan Beach greeted us at our turnaround point. Some friendly waves from locals at Kelly's Marina, a popular spot for crabbing. A few lucky crabbers were enjoying a feast right on the beach. The train rides are pet-friendly. We met Yogi, who enjoyed watching the local wildlife. Our sojourn lasted about 90 minutes, which was plenty of time to take pictures and sightsee along the scenic route. On our way back to Seaside, we stopped by the Big Wave restaurant in Manzanita for some slightly overpriced but still very good sandwiches and clam chowder. And a little hummingbird was enjoying a good meal as well outside the window. We had a great day trip to Wheeler. The locals can tell you that every town on the Oregon coast has its own personality. Join us as we explore more of them in future videos.